Guten Tag, ihr... Hey, lässt du das? Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Ich schau dir eins mit der Schiene. Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Weiter geht's mit Hytale. Heute haben wir vor, also ich zumindest, ich will die Schienen fertig bauen. Na, nicht ganz. Also nicht die Schienen. Ich will zumindest mal die Steine fertig machen. Und dann gucken, wie weit ich mit den Schienen komme. So, aber dazu brauche ich noch ganz viel... Oh. Sie sehen, es gab ein Update und dieses Update beinhaltet, dass mein Deutsch-Patch nicht mehr funktioniert. Ja, es ist jetzt ein bisschen doof. Jetzt habe ich hier ganz viel Zeug drin. Naja, wenigstens weiß ich, dass ich Marble-Koppel brauche. Und Reil. Reil. Hi. I have a Reil. And I have Marble-Koppel. Should I talk like this the whole Folge über?
Aber sowas von.
Oh, you like it? You like it very much when I talk English? When I talk in foreign voices? In foreign tongues? You like it when I say the word tongue?
Ja.
Okay. Now it have been decided. Has shit. Irregular verbs are the geisel of mankind. So, let's see. I want... This is get a pretty annoying Folge.
Aber
I can say that...
Von. Ich antworte dir auf jeden Fall.
I can say that already. So, what do you say? I only understand pretty good English. So, I have a sword. Or as the Germans say, a sword. Sword of... Ah! There's a spider on my lawn. Oh shit,
Okay.
I'm vergiftet. Ich bin geschenkt. I'm sorry, I mean, I'm presented.
Ich hatte das Gefühl, dass du dich da irgendwo verrennst, aber ja.
Okay, I see. Hello, you Truthahn.
Hello, you dude.
You see? Do you see in the far, far wild there are a cobble road? Oh no, it's not a cobble road. It's a marble road. Marvelous marble road. And this marvelous marble road, I'm gonna walk 500 miles. Oh.
Alter, so random.
What is he doing there? I see an enemy. Is that an enemy mine or is that an enemy you?
Das ist keine feindliche Mine.
Enemy Mine is one of my favorite movies. You unchecker. You zero checker you.
Ja.
So. I killed
Du bist gekillt.
I killed the enemy. No, I have killed as a cloth. And every time I am killed, I say rock on. So, okay.
Du
I'm on
kennst
Marble
meine
Road.
Englischlehrer nicht, aber wenn die tot sind schon, dann drehen die sich auch schon ab.
What? So. If the cobblestone are red, take the marble road instead. That's an old white today. This is English for Weisheit. I guess my English is pretty good. Or is it not?
Also wenn dann schon weit dumm.
Ah! I'm falling and I'm dead. Hi, mother. I'm dead. Scheiße. Shitty. There's a cake on the floor. Where am I? Ah. That's not good. I take a little shortcut. Okay. You see, this is my shortcut.
Ach, eine Schrott.
Where is the road? Where is the marble road? The marble road is behind this house. But the plan is to make the marble road come all the way down here so that I can take a minecart and say, minecart, you are now minecart. And now I can drive while I drive you nuts. So, the thing is, maybe you found it out already. When I have to talk English, I'm a little bit slower while talking. Okay? Good. So, the thing is, where should the minecart start? The start card. Like here? Oh, yeah. Oh, shitty fuck. You see, English is a pretty bad language with many not so many bad words. So in German I would say, hoppala, das ist gerade schief gelaufen, but in English you have to say, oh fuck. Okay. I guess we will make this here to the train station. Oh, is this cobble? Is this cobble? No, it's, yeah. Yeah, it's cobble, but I don't need cobble, I need marbles. What? What are you doing, huh? Right now? Ah, it's... So. I guess this will get the Kopfbahnhof, the head station. What's going on? What's going on in front of me? I see there are some purple thingies. Yeah. You see? This is an American sheep. It don't make smeh, it makes bah.
Bah.
Bah. Oh, this is my stuff that I've lost. I've gathered it. I've gathered my lost stuff. Gell? Oh, guck mal. Oh, guck mal. Oh, look there. There is a green arrow in the skies. And it's not disguised as a green arrow. It is a green arrow. Arrow. Okay. I see this. This will get out of hand pretty quick. It's schon dabei. Okay. So, now look. A small marble stone for me. But a quick shit. How can I make this marble stone dohi? Ah, shit. This is getting shit. I haven't thought about that I have to make so quere Steine.
Ich habe das Gefühl, das wird eine voll beschissene Folge.
So, I think this get a shitty Folge. What's the name Folge in English? I forgot it. It's maybe something like something with F. Fast? No.
Episode.
Episode? Ja, Episode ist Episode, aber Folge. Follow. This is the 68th follow or so.
Alter.
We just found out the English name for Folge is follow. So when you say Folge mir, you say follow me. So the English name for Folge is follow.
Könnt ihr noch followen?
That's bekannt. So, Okay, and this one here, and then up, and one there. Up. Am I still gebickt? Duck you. I'm pretty good at ducking. Especially in the night, they call me ducking duck. That makes no sense. Das macht keine Sense. Schlupp. I try to expand my vocabulary Gedönse on English Fluchworts.
Fluchwort?
Fluchwort?
Du bist so Fluchworte, du.
Fluchworters?
Fluchwort.
I guess it's not that easy. For the Americans don't have many Fluchworts. And that's not good. Maybe I should swap to British English.
Probier's lieber wieder mit Blatt.
Bloody fuck. I don't know. So. So. Says the hoe in the garden hoe. That was pretty close. It was nearly a Fluchwort.
Das sind schöne Kleider. Pretty close.
So. I guess this is getting a little too stylish.
Ich glaube, es geht a little bit out of hand.
What?
Ja.
What are you saying? Are you threatening me? I am Conor Julio. Eine Kippi. Ein Bunghole.
Ja, frag dann.
Ah.
Redet er jetzt nicht rein?
Ah. I am the great Bang Julio. So, and as you guys can see, I know enough people who said they learned English through South Park. Nope. I learned my good pretty English with Beavis and Butthead.
Beavis?
Beavis.
Beavis?
Be with me. Or I had your butt. I had your butt last night. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. Ay, caramba.
Aber ich.
Dios míos. So, I'm out of words. Say my name. And let me out of this misery. I'm even better at singing than at talking in English. But I can rap. Should I rap something in English? Okay, I will rap something for you. Give me a flatbread. And I wrap it. In a hole. A rabbit hole.
Kennen wir?
No.
Das war jetzt Englisch.
No, you said I have to talk English.
What?
The whole follow. You said I have to talk English, the whole follow. And I will talk English till it comes out of your throat. Till you have the throat full.
Also ich habe das jetzt hier, ne, also ich habe nie was gesagt. Nee.
I heard it. I heard it with my own eyes. As the American says. Says. So. We are getting close.
Ich entschuldige mich hier
Wir kriegen gerade Kleider.
Bei alle Nationalitäten auf der Welt.
Nope. You don't. It's too late. To Apollo 5.
Für Apollo Justice, ja.
Oh. Okay. You see? Yes, I guess it's getting... Yeah, I'm getting there where I want to be. And I want to be... a beaver.
Was?
A little beaver called a baby beaver. Maybe a little more to the right. Or as you would say, to the left. Depends on your point of view. Ja, nu.
What? Euch keiner.
What?
Was?
What?
Wer?
What have you said?
Oh.
I didn't listen to you. I am here and make marbles.
Wenn mir jemand zuhören tät.
I make marble roads. And these marble roads, they take me home to the place. I have my Burg with a Wehrgang and a roof. Take me home. Marble Road.
Du hast vielleicht einen Ruf zu verlieren hier, ja?
No. When the people, the thousands of people, look this follow and say, yeah, please, master, Under judge me English. Das heißt unterrichte. Oh, I think I'm a little too high. What is with you? Why are you laughing? Laughing?
Ja, das ist das
Do
Problem.
you love me? Lachst du über mich?
Ja, das ist das Problem.
So. I guess we will get there. I have to go a little more to the right side. But right set Fred. Right side set Fred. So.
Also, für mich ist das auch die 13. Stunde hier. Also.
In English, please.
Bear with me.
There is a bear. Where are you? When
Ja,
you
eigentlich
want
nicht, hier ist
to
gerade-
bear with you.
Hier ist
To
eigentlich-
bear or not to bear? No, it's only one bear. But it's a pretty good looking bear. He looks pretty wunderbear. Okay.
Wunderbärchen.
Yeah. Yeah, I see a bear. I've seen so many bears in my life.
Heißt, andere Leute müssen für so einen Quatsch Drogen nehmen.
I don't have to take drugs.
Ja, das ist das Problem.
Oh, shitty kacky. I think we are a little too low. Too low! Too low! Zack. But no problem. So, looky. Shitty fucky. I'm dead.
Ich hab's gesehen. Oder für Taco.
I'm gonna respawn 100 miles. I'm gonna respawn. Okay. So, but maybe it's not that bad, so we can take a look what I have bought. The best Baumeisters in Germany come from Bautzen. I don't know if it's true, but I say it's pretty true. So, I guess if I don't stand up like Slim Shady, I'm gonna sit down and walk the walk and talk the talk. There's so many songs that come to my head when I talk bullshit. So walk the walk. What is the Chip Chip Chicken from Peppa the Rapper? Don't you know?
Nee.
We get like I don't know, MIX, the flour into the bowl. Something like that. I don't know. I like the frog song.
Wieso tust du uns das
The
alles
frog
an?
song from Peppa the Rapper. Man, everybody knows the frog, the Prince Flea Market or so was it called. I'm working on this flea market since so early. Been working here since your mama was a baby. Just because the rhythm is slow, that don't mean I can't flow. Nee, groove? Ich hab keine Ahnung. In the rain or in the snow, I got the funky flow. I love Peppa the Rapper.
Ich hab gerade.
Pretty good. The second one was, also Peppa the Rapper 2 was, it was okay for the PlayStation 2, but, listen to me. The better Peppa the Rapper 2 was Amchema Lemmy. Amchema Lemmy for the PlayStation 1. Was like Peppa the Rapper 2. You could even unlock Peppa the Rapper and do the whole songs with Peppa. So Amchema Lemmy was, you played the guitarist Lemmy. Not Lemmy Kilminster, Lemmy the sheep. Let me show you something. Let me show you some other thing. I need marble. Not Marble superheroes. Marble Kadabel. Are you a marble? Yes, you are marble. Marvelous. And now I'm hacking the marble because I'm a great hacker. You see. Hack.
Apropos Hacker.
Oh yeah. Hack it to me. Are you haggard?
Ich hab mich aus unserem Kiosk-Tablet eine Stunde gebraucht, um mich da reinzuhacken.
You mean on work?
Ja.
Ah, okay. Why do you have tablets in kiosk mode?
Weil ich die Leute fotografieren soll und nicht surfen.
Okay. Now I thought you have don't know, maybe so Werbefilme laufen. Werbemovies walking. On a tablet.
Hey,
I'm getting better at this English, I guess. Isn't it?
ja, ich glaube
Ja.
ja. Bin mir nicht ganz sicher, aber
Ah,
hat den Anschein.
it has the on-shine. So, okay. So you see, I'm applauding the marble. As
Ja,
Bonk would say, applauding the marble.
genau. Ja.
So. And when I have enough,
Ja,
I
okay,
will...
Beifall.
What?
Was?
Beifall. It's Beifall.
Beifall.
Ja, das ist Beiherbst.
Bei Default.
By default. This is a pretty random follow.
Ja, aber
Well, the thing is, I thought at the start, yeah, okay, now we do a little game. We only talk English in this follow. But no, you said, oh no, it's okay. Do you make you to a dip?
sowas von.
And I thought, well, there's a Fettnäpfchen. Take down my pants. I will make a Arschbomb in it. In the Fettnäpfchen.
Oh,
What is? So I will hack so long until my, what's this thing called? Pickaxe will break.
ich bin out of Schiene.
I was breaking not so long ago where I eat too much fat and then I had to break. Was not funny. So. Okay. Up there's so much room where babies burp and flowers bloom. Ach ja.
Jetzt singt er auch noch.
Yeah, it's from South Park, the movie. It was Satan's song. Oh, oder so. I can rap too, if you want.
Ja, dann Wickelmo.
Ah, I wickel.
Wickel, wickel.
Wickel, wackel, so heißt unser Dackel. Rippel, rappel, so where are we going? Where are the fackles? The fackles are on the ground. Oh, is that marble? Is it all marble? Oh, that's nice, nice, nice. So much marble, so less time. So less little time. So many men, so little time. I am here. My name is Chaos. Rap is to me like music is to Amadeus. Wolfgang, the famous composer, when I step in, I
Wenigstens
told
brauche
him
ich
to
mir
move
keine
over.
Gedanken machen.
I'm the new kid on the block on a mission to make your body rock. And for all the fools who think you're tough, you never beat me, cause I'm just too rough.
Genau.
So, we have to say we are on day 1 from the new update. Today, the new update came, saw, and was there. And as you can see, all new in May. I mean, looks pretty old. But there's a new update with new stones. 500 new stones. I don't know. I just need marbles. Maybe it's the new marble. Marbles, the new Avenger. Oder Avenge mehr. Avenger. Mehr. So. Hello, Taubsi. What are you doing? Tell me, what are you seeing? Hello. Hello. I don't know why you said hello. Do you want to stay on your head? Blub. Daneben. There. On the side of it. Daneben. Okay.
Zwei Spinnen nebeneinander.
Two what? Where are the
Spinnen.
fackles? Ah, there are the fackles. So I guess I'm going a little to the left here. Like so. And then I'm going back down. And now my marbles are gone.
Das ist schlecht.
So I need more. Why is it bad?
Du hast gerade gesagt, deine Murmeln sind weg.
Oh, yeah, that's right. I don't have my marbles together.
Ja. Nun.
So, my good dear girlfriend, what are you doing? Ah, I don't have a pickaxe anymore. Oh, what's this? Toggle backpack. I toggle it. Ah, it's. Aha, looky.
Nun, also, meine Schienen sind leer. Mein
Hau,
Marble.
zack. So. It's shit. Chalk. I have the chalk in the neck. No, that is marble cobble. I need marble. I'm from Marlborough Country.
Was ist die Ausleihe oder was?
Marlborough County. County oder
Ist doch
Country?
scheißegal.
Because I'm a call boy on a steel horse. I ride. It's not a call boy. It's you know what I mean.
Ja.
Call me. It's raining water from above. It's raining water on the ground.
Wen wollte
But
dieser
when
immer
you are
anrufen?
in a house, it doesn't rain on the ground. It rains on the Dach.
Hallo.
What?
Wen wollte Lisa immer anrufen?
Very many low. No, Corey's flirt
Ja,
line.
genau.
What? How did you get there, huh?
Ich wollte anrufen aus dem Podcast.
Ah. I'm calling on Africa.
Burg ohne Bewohner.
So. Okay. Ah, the weather is clearing up. It's clearing up. I'm clearing up, so you better get the marble barn started. Oh, voilà.
Wieso? Hä? Wir sind jetzt zum Bügeln schon unterwegs. Nein.
It's because of the update. Where are there Glevium fireflies? Is this marble? It is marble. Sometimes I forgot to pick up the marble, and so they called me Mist Marble. And you thought that my German word jokes are bad.
Also, das, was ihr hier gerade kullern hört, das sind immer noch meine Augen, die immer noch rollen.
Ah. Her eyes are pretty coolant.
Ja.
Give me the marble. My name is Abel. I need marble. Oh, this is sand. The sand is getting out of hand because it is so fine kernig. dispersionsfähig. It's called in Germany. Okay, it's pretty quiet follow today because I have to. It's pretty hard to talk the whole time in English. So
Hat dich keiner gezwungen, auch wenn du was anderes
you
behauptest.
said do it, and who am I to speak against a woman, the wishes of a woman?
Alles klar.
Because I will do anything for love. And I even will do that. La, 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 la. I have an earworm, but I won't sing that. So. Is this chalk? It's chalk. When you make chalk on your tongue, you get a pretty soft voice. Like a wolf. At least in the German Folklore. Okay? Oh, it's chalk again. It's chalk again. It's chalk again. I rather would like to marble sehen. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. How? What? You stupid red. You stupid blue red. Get away from me. Where is she? Where is the red? Where's the blue red? The blue red has gone. As I was singing. She said to me, please sing louder. Sing with more Inbrunst. And so I said, yes,
Und wo hast du,
I will do it.
wo hast du hingebrunst?
I brunst on this yellow snow. Yeah. So, where is the marble? Marble is gone. Is this marble? It's marble. Oh, it's getting dark again, or what? It's not good.
Das ist jetzt auch relativ.
I have noch so much marble to bow up. It would be so much faster if someone, maybe some other player on this 2-player server would help and pick up some marble for me.
Ey, dann komm in die Burg. Ich hab.
When the marble road is not coming to the Burg, the Burg has to come to the marble road.
Ist aber dunkel.
Why is it dunkel? It's pretty hell here.
Es wird dunkel.
Well, you see, I'm here on the marble road, and the marble road demands more marble. Why can't we make a chalk road? Ah, I know why we. Oh, shit, I'm dead. I'm not dead. I'm mother. Mother of Christ. So. I'm here. Where
Ach, super.
am I? Ah,
Und dann noch Wölfe und es pisst.
I
doch
didn't
nicht.
I didn't let someone fall. So, you see, there are some pretty much marble. I
So, wo
gathered
bist du?
so much marble, it's marblehaft.
Wo bist du?
I'm on the marble road. Yeah, I'm under the marble road. Under the marble road. Near no sea. You can make noodle. You can make noodle. What? You can make noodles
Komm
cold.
her. Komm.
I mean, yeah. And my name is Chaos. What is to me like I already wrapped it. Baby, swing your tile. What? Is that all?
Ja,
Is
ich
that
bin noch
the
nicht so
best
lang.
you can do? 100. Ah!
Ich bin noch nicht so lange unterwegs.
Ja. You You pushed you around in the burg and made nothing. And thought, yeah, so yeah, he has to marble his road alone, all by myself.
Ich habe vielleicht meine eigene Straße weitergebaut. Du.
Eichelstraße?
Ajo.
It sounds pretty interesting. So, only with Eichels or with some Schäfte too? Oh, look at the green arrow. How nicely lit it is. It is lit. Literally lit. So, okay. Zack, zack, zack. So, what does the timer says? The timer says 35 minutes into the follow.
Na Gott sei Dank.
So, thank goodness. I try to moderate out of the follow. It's not that easy, but I guess we have to go.
Leider mit
And
euch.
now the time is near.
Ich bin auch erleichtert.
And so I face my final marble. It was the Sex Pistols version. Okay. As the Americans would say, see you later, alter Keder. Okay? After a while, Kangaroo. See ya.